Hi, this is Bill with myunipost.com. Today we're going to show you the gas pounder made by Redi Driver, and this is the Mega Multi. The Multi is because it has a multiple adapter, comes with it, made for the Unipost and other winged posts, and then you can also put a sleeve directly inside so that it reduces it down to 2 inches for a T-post. Now we're just going to show you how we install the Unipost, and this one has the handles on it. The extension handles makes it easier for the Unipost. Now, Bill, how are we going to lay out this fence, and how are we going to pound this in?
Well, you can see we've got a string laid out here just as an example, and that's going to be our straight line for our fence line. So I usually go every 8 feet and draw a white line or to mark exactly where I'm going to put it. So I'll grab a post.
What lines have you made on the post?
So you can see I've made a couple lines. One is just as an example for us to pound today, but generally we would be pounding to this mark right to that string, and this would be, as an example, this would be 66 inches we normally use for a 6-inch board picket fence. So, but we don't need to drive it that far today, but we want to show you that if you lay out your string, you can pound right that mark right to that string and establish your grade to get through the yard, so each post is just the right depth.
What side do the pickets go on?
So generally you'll see the flange side and the U-shaped side, and the U-shaped side is generally where we like to build a fence, just a picket fence. Now you might have lots of other fences you want to build, rail fences that are horizontal instead of vertical, things like that. So you'll decide, but today for the most part a picket fence is the most common. We'll lay this right against the line, and this will be the side that we put the pickets on. So right. Let's take a look and see how you have to lean it over and get that machine set up just right.
So he's going to lean it just right. I'm going to get this thing started. So the extension handles.
Lean it right over. And he can stand it. I can help him.
And with the handles makes it so that we can
tap it just
pound it in right from the ground. We don't got to be on a ladder with these handles. Without the handles, we'd have to be all the way up top on a ladder, and it makes it definitely difficult. So
all right,
it's a lot easier.
All right, we'll tap a little bit. Okay, let's check our plumb. So we need to come forward just a hair, and we need to come to me just a hair. All right, I'm going to hold it in those plumb positions and have him drive some more. Let's wave him off so we can check again. Oh, it's nice. So then you can see we just continue until that string was right to that mark, and we would have an exact depth, and that would be, we'd go 8 feet more, pound again, and it would give us not only the alignment, but the height of the posts that we need at the same time.